Hurricanes are nothing new to the Atlantic. They form around June and November each year. Both man-made and environmental factors, however, also affect the strength, size, and number of the tropical storms that form. This recent high number of storms, followed by almost a 2-decade lull, is part of a natural cycle in tropical storm creation, and the risk is only getting worse. More and more residents continue to live and buy houses along the Gulf and southeastern U.S. coastline. Today, about half the U.S. population live there, or about 153 million people. This increase of people in recent years has made the impact of hurricanes much worse. Natural coastal features such as wetlands and barrier islands act as protection against a hurricane storm surge, slowing it down and reducing the impact it has on cities. The development of cities and towns in coastal areas has damaged these natural defenses, putting the coastal residents at an even higher risk. At the same time, the oceans are also growing warmer. Hurricanes are fueled by warm, moist air over the tropical Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico. The warmer the ocean temperatures, the more energy, or fuel, is available to power a tropical storm's powerful winds. Some scientists have predicted that as global warming continues to heat the ocean, hurricanes, like Hurricane Katrina, could become more frequent and more intense. As the sea surface temperature rises, they provide more fuel to the convection that drives these swirling storms. This increased energy could also increase the speed of the hurricane's winds. The rainfall brought by hurricanes could also increase because as Earth's atmosphere also warms, it can hold more moisture. Rising sea levels can increase damage on coastal areas by the storm surge. Warmer water also means more opportunity for storms to form. Global warming could lengthen the hurricane season as the warm water in the Atlantic expands. Of course, the changes man has made to the coastlines and the climate system aren't the only thing increasing the risk of tropical storms. Mother Nature provides plenty of variation as well. Natural fluctuations in climate, such as El Niño or La Niña, also affect how busy the Atlantic hurricane season is. El Niño events, which occur when tropical waters become warmer, and La Niña events, which occur when tropical waters become cooler, typically mean more hurricanes. Another natural cycle is the Atlantic multi-decadal oscillation, which can affect hurricane frequency over several decades through changes in sea surface temperatures. While natural cycles also affect hurricane activity from year to year, most scientists think that global warming will continue to fuel these storms, and accompanied by the increased coastal population and environmental degradation, lead to an increased risk of hurricane activity, intensity, and damage.